What do you think, Paquito? Well, me and Paco were having a discussion as to where should my channel go, and we came up with this. We're about, I think, 750 or 760 subscribers. My original idea for the channel was to make things and give them away. Unfortunately, YouTube and this all the stuff going on has changed finances, and I wasn't really able to do that, but I still want to do it. So I thought I wanted to do something to give away for when I reach 1,000 subscribers, but I want to go beyond that. So I'm committed to make something this year once a month and give it away, regardless of what the subscriber count is, because that was my original intention. So I'm gonna give it a shot and try to push. But for this video, I'm gonna make something, I think a bowl with a lid, and this video will be this will be raffle when I reach 1,000 subscribers, which shouldn't take that long. So in order to get this, if you want to participate, you know the drill. You gotta subscribe, you gotta hit the notification bell, and leave a comment. Leave a comment on this video, and moving forward, when I do the next one, so this will become the January and 1,000, and this one will be raffle when I reach 1,000. However, even if that doesn't happen and wait into February, the February will be done on February regardless, and so on. So anyways, enough chit chat. I really appreciate your support and you helping me go through this. And yeah, I don't really want to be one of those guys that tries to sell stuff. I really wish that maybe in a year or so I can just make stuff and literally donate every single thing I make. So if you want to help me with that, I would love you for it. And anyways, let's get this done. So here's the finished product. This particular bowl will ship anywhere in the world because I invited the crowd from Open House 24, which is my other channel, which I have like 400,000 subscribers or something like that. And they've been supporting me for almost 10 years. So I thought for this one, they should be included. And moving forward, all the other months are going to be Canada and continental US. So anyways, leave a comment. Good luck with it. Ciao, ciao.